Hello YouTube, how's it going? Well, today it's a different topic and I'm going to discuss the identity theft issue. This keeps on coming up to me. I get asked this question so many times. Now, I am an attorney. I'm also a international probate judge. I have been doing this stuff for over 15 years in the legal profession, so I do have a little bit of knowledge about this. And I have dealt with legal issues from Germany, France, Russia, England, and even here in the United States in regards to identity theft. Is it legal? This is the first question I get all the time. The answer is no, it is not legal. Okay, here's the second question. Can someone take my identity, like a church or an organization, and sell it legally? The answer is no, they cannot. In the United States of America, at least, in the United States of America, it is illegal to sell someone's identity. It is also illegal to sell their identity under the Articles of War. So if you ever need to look this up, Articles of War, September 28th, 1776 was the year when it was created. Just take a look into that, and it'll tell you that Articles of War will tell you that identity theft is illegal. In fact, the only punishment listed in the United States of America for identity theft is actually execution. Wow. Aren't we all learning something today? And this has been in place for well over 100 years. Okay, what's the third question? Can I get my identity back if someone steals it? Yes, you can. You can go to a probate court. Now, you should be able to go to any probate court in the United States of America and get your identity back if it's been stolen. Okay, that's the big if it's been stolen. Alright, if your identity's been stolen, you can get your identity back. All you gotta do is go to a probate court, in most cases, and get your identity transferred right back to you. Not a problem. If you're in the military and you're having this problem with someone trying to steal your identity, all you have to do is go to the wonderful JAG people, set up an appointment to go see them, and get your identity transferred right back to you. It's not a problem. And they have their own courts that can do this as well for the U.S. military. And if you're in another military and you're in the United States at least, that's how you do it. Just go to your local JAG office, go talk to them. They'll set an appointment with the local magistrate or local judge that's in your military division and have your identity transferred right back to you, as long as you have evidence to back it up. All right, what's that third question? Yeah, no, we did the third question. Fourth question was, there is a company called Providence, and I'm getting a lot of questions about this company, Providence. Is a company named Providence allowed to go ahead and buy identities? The answer is no. It's not legal. Are they allowed to sell identities? The answer again is no, it's not legal. I've also been asked another question. Is the Catholic Church legally allowed under American law on U.S. territory in any state allowed to sell another person's identity? The answer is no. They cannot do that. Now, there's only 2 countries in the world which are allowed to buy and sell identities. Only 2 countries. That would be France, and then the other country is Turkey. Currently, in every other country, the punishment for identity theft is execution currently. In just about every country in the world except for France and Turkey. The 5th question we have today is, if someone buys an identity in Paris, France, for example, or the country of France, and they have the identity transferred to them, can they use that identity that they had transferred to them in the United States of America? The answer is no, they cannot. It's illegal, because that identity under our current laws in the United States of America is considered identity theft. So can it be done? Not really. It's not legal. It's not legally enforceable, and you can't really do it. And that's pretty much the truth. Now, if you're in Turkey, and you do the same thing applies. You cannot take that identity you got in Turkey, you cannot take that identity you got in Paris or France, and you can't bring it back to the United States, because that identity is, by our laws, is deemed stolen, which means it's identity theft, which means it's a capital offense. So guys, if you want to change your name in the United States, go to a court and just change your name. They can do it legal there. But never sell your identity. Okay, guys? It's illegal. It's a bad idea. Please don't do it. Those of us in the legal profession would really appreciate it if you all wouldn't do that. It'd help us all out so much if you wouldn't do that. Thank you very much. You have a nice day.